Hi everyone, my name is Wang. This is my 112 turn project. It's called a 112 Druids Duel, which is a highly strategic board game. There are three modes that you can choose from: tutorial, campaign, or challenges. Let's go to tutorial first. The tutorial is made up of 11 pages which teach both the basic rules and the basic strategies of the game. And notice that this tutorial is highly interactive because you can always click on the try it out button on the right to go to an actual game board to see what is being talked about in the tutorial pages. So here the page 4, for example, talks about there being three types of lands: normal land, bridge, and obstacle. We can go to try it out to see that there are like normal lands, an obstacle, and a bridge. And the good thing about this demo is that you can click on the buttons to interact with the demo and play it with yourself to get familiar with the user interface. So let's go back to tutorial, and then suppose that we have gone through all the tutorial pages. Then we go back to the main page and let's go to campaign to play a real game. The campaign consists of 5 chapters, which have an underlying storyline, and you have to play against the AI, and if you win, you can proceed to the next chapter. So let's go to chapter 1. The objective of this game is to be the only color that owns any land. Here you can see you are purple, and the AI is green. You can occupy land by moving your druids. Each land occupied will give you 3 mana when your next turn starts. So for example, I've moved my soldier to occupy a land here. You see that my predicted mana is now 9, but my mana for this turn is still 6. Mana can be used to recruit more druids, as you can do by clicking those 4 buttons. And notice that a cool feature of this game is that unavailable buttons will be shaded gray. And when you click a button, the selected button will be highlighted. So are the spaces that you can put this new druid on. Suppose that I do not want to summon a soldier anymore. I can just click on anywhere else to deselect this button. And the 4 types of druids, as you can see, are respectively a soldier, an archer, an executor, and a wizard. The soldier, which we have one now, can move or attack one adjacent space. An archer can either move to one adjacent space or attack a creature that is 2 spaces away. An executor can move twice a turn, and for one of its turns it can attack. And a wizard is very powerful. It cannot attack, but it can move up to 3 times a turn and can make up to 3 spells, which are indicated by those 3 buttons. Since we don't have a wizard now, we can't do that, but we'll definitely see those spells later. There are also 2 other kinds of spells which are going to be talked about later. Okay, so now since we have still 6 mana left, we can recruit another soldier here, for example. And then since the soldier has used up all its turns, and this soldier is just summoned, so it has what is called summoning sickness. It cannot be moved on its first turn. So we just enter now and see what the AI does. You can see each move by the AI, and then when the AI's move ends, you will see like your creatures are now available again. They're not shaded again. So as I said, the soldier can attack one space, so it can attack here, and the soldier can attack here. And we have 9 mana for this turn, so how about we build we recruit another soldier here. And because the AI now is going to have only 3 mana, it cannot really do anything. So you see like the AI just passes its turn. Now if we just step on the AI's land, then we win. Due to the limited time left, I'm going to just show you how those buttons work. So this is the transform button. It allows a creature's ability to be highly boosted. And this is the bridge button. It allows you to create a bridge, for example, here. And its cost is 5 mana. and I'm gonna leave you to read those and play them in the tutorial by your own. So now let's go back to the main page and go to the last mode, which is challenges. Here you can play any of the 6 individual challenge games. So for each of the games, you can also select to play against a friend or to play against the AI. So for now, let's say I'm going to play with a friend. So now you see instead of the AI playing green, the green is played by player 2. And now the player 1 is playing. So if the player 1 ends the turn now, the turn will become player 2's. So in this way you can play against a friend. And the AI will work the same way as it works in a campaign. So it'll be fun. So again, there are a lot of cool strategies that you can use, and also to create your own strategies to beat either the AI or your friend. This is a very cool game, so I invite you to try it out. Thanks for watching.